This should only be a 2-day project because it does not require as much for you to work on it. Okay, now I've done this section light so that when I do the pink real heavy over the top of it, it'll give it that nice purplish pink color, like it's a different color purple. Now if you wish to go back over it with the purple again, heavy on it, that is fine too. You're more than welcome to. Okay, if this is too hard, then you need to go to the middle school first years and you start working from there, because you will not be allowed to do anything easier than what I'm dishing out in any of the high school classes. So don't get defensive. I'm not trying to be mean to you. I just know your potential. If you wish to color this in to kind of change that purple a little bit, you're more than welcome to. Kind of changes its tone some. Okay, so now we're going to go back up here to the top and we're going to do the blue real heavy at the top. This thing gets pushed down so easily. The only thing I don't like about these twistables is they keep twisting back up. The more you color. Sometimes they do. If they're really good, they won't twist back in. Every once in a while, you've got one because the kids have been playing with them. They roll them up, they roll them back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so now I'm going to take this section and go over it real light, not hardly putting any pressure on it. Okay, I'm going to put this in heavier. Now, this is an easy project. Now, for those of you that can do this, some of you can practically do this in one day. And if that happens, try to help someone. I mean, you know you're going to have an easy time doing this. Help someone who may be struggling. Okay? This gives you the opportunity to help them. And then the best thing to do is either on your slides, you write, I help so-and-so, little Johnny, and then you might even sign your name on the back of their paper as well, because that means you kind of help them get the credit. And when I ask you to put your papers out, you're able to do so. Now, because this is such a large space in the middle and it's white, I'm not going to over blend any of these. Now I'm going to take this and just do the middle of this B with the lighter blue, and I'm doing the middle of this T with the lighter blue. Okay, then I'm going to take this pink and I'm going to do it real light up to the blue. And do the same thing with this one. Now this took me less than 15 minutes practically to do. Okay, well, actually it took 21 minutes according to the timer that's on here. Okay, this is a finished product. So if it took me 20 minutes, actually you should only have one day. Okay, so for those students that need that extra day, you may need to help them with some of the letters they're doing because they don't quite get it. If this is too hard for you, then stick with number 1 of middle school. Okay? And this is the end of this lesson. Keep on arting.